To lift your vehicle, first attach your metal ramps or our special lightweight race ramps to the front of the lift. Next, align your vehicle and drive onto the lift. Ensure that your vehicle is centered on the lift and the vehicle is in park with the handbrake applied. Remove the ramps and activate the lift. Keep the button depressed until the lift reaches the desired height. Double check that the locking mechanism has engaged fully. Now you're done and your car is safely stored. While the vehicle is raised on the lift, you can enjoy an unobstructed view of the chassis of your vehicle. To lower your vehicle down, you must first raise the vehicle to clear the lock. Next, push the down lever to lower the lift. Ensure that you pull and hold the lock release while lowering the unit. The lift will slowly and safely lower to the desired position. Attach ramps and drive your vehicle off.